In the summer of 1977, as disco-filled radios and Cold War tensions loomed over Earth, two spacecraft quietly left our planet to begin a journey unlike any in human history. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched weeks apart, twin emissaries of humanity designed to explore the outer solar system and beyond. What began as an ambitious planetary reconnaissance mission would soon evolve into something far greater, a message to the cosmos. Built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the Voyager spacecraft were marvels of engineering. Modestly sized and solar panel-free, they were powered by radioactive plutonium and armed with some of the best scientific instruments of their time. But their real magic was in their timing. The late 1970s offered a rare alignment of the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, a once-in-176 years opportunity that would allow the spacecraft to use gravitational slingshots to visit all four giant planets in a single flight. Voyager 2 would take this longer route, while Voyager 1, on a faster trajectory, would focus on Jupiter and Saturn before veering upward out of the ecliptic plane and into deep space. The science returned was nothing short of revolutionary, from Jupiter's lightning storms and volcanic moon Io, to Saturn's intricate rings and the mysterious haze of Titan. The Voyager missions rewrote textbooks. Voyager 2's flybys of Uranus and Neptune, the only ones in history to this day, revealed magnetic fields, storm systems, and icy moons that had never been seen before. But even as these spacecraft captured stunning images and groundbreaking data, another layer of meaning began to form around them, something deeper than science alone. The farther the Voyagers traveled from Earth, the more they came to represent a different kind of human achievement. Not just exploration, but expression. Each spacecraft carried a unique artifact, one that transcended technology, the Golden Record. Carefully mounted on the side of both probes, these copper phonograph records contained a curated collection of sounds, images, and messages from Earth. Designed to last 1 billion years, the Golden Record was humanity's attempt to say, "We were here." Crafted under the direction of astronomer Carl Sagan, the Golden Record featured greetings in 55 languages, natural sounds like thunder and ocean waves, music from Bach to Blind Willie Johnson, and 116 photographs representing Earth's cultures, landscapes, and achievements. There were diagrams of DNA, mathematical definitions, and even a pulsar map to pinpoint Earth's location in the galaxy. It was an extraordinary gamble. The assumption that one day, perhaps millions of years from now, another intelligence might find these records and understand them. In essence, the Golden Record was a time capsule of Earth, a snapshot of our civilization sent into the great dark sea of interstellar space. And in doing so, the Voyager missions became more than spacecraft. They became messengers, not just from NASA or from the United States, but from all of humanity. Decades have passed since Voyager 1 and 2 left Earth. Their original planetary missions ended long ago, but remarkably, they are still active. Still sending data, still traveling, still reaching. Voyager 1 officially entered interstellar space in 2012, becoming the first human-made object to cross the heliopause, the invisible boundary where the solar wind gives way to the pressures of the interstellar medium. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. These spacecraft now drift in the void between stars, far beyond the reach of sunlight, in a place no other mission has ever gone. Every transmission they send back takes more than 20 hours to reach Earth, a whisper from the edge of forever. But their legacy is not just scientific, it's philosophical. The Golden Record they carry is still intact, spinning silently through the dark. Somewhere, billions of kilometers away, are two relics of Earth, moving steadily toward the unknown. If some alien civilization ever does discover them, what will they think of the tiny blue world that sent such an artifact? Will they understand our music, our greetings, our hopes etched in gold? Or will the Voyagers simply drift forever, eternal witnesses of a species that once dared to dream beyond its cradle? The story of Voyager is, in many ways, the story of us. It's a story of bold vision, international collaboration, and unyielding curiosity. It reminds us that exploration is not just about what we find, but about what we choose to say as we go. In a time when our world faces division and uncertainty, the Golden Record offers a rare glimpse of unity. It shows Earth not as borders or politics, but as a single species sharing a single home, and sending that message to the stars. Today the Voyagers continue their voyage, silent, distant, and eternal. They will outlive us all. Long after Earth itself is gone, Voyager 1 and 2 will still be traveling through the Milky Way, each carrying a piece of us, a story of life, and a fragile greeting in a bottle cast into a cosmic ocean. And perhaps that is the real story of Voyager. Not just what it discovered, but what it dared to become, a message, a mirror, and a legacy of who we are.